In this video, I'm going to show you how to download EVE Online. So EVE Online is a free MMO game, and I'm going to show you how to install it on a Windows PC. So the first thing you have to do is you have to type in EVE Online. Just look for it, and then you can download it from Steam or from the website. So we are going to install it from eveonline.com, the official website. As you can see, it's a online game. Developer is CCP Games and it's multiplayer. So what you can do is you can go to the website and then you can hit play free. As you can see, you can play this on a Windows PC and also on a Mac. And here you can see what is EVE Online. EVE Online is a community-driven spaceship MMO where players can play free, choosing their own path from countless options. You can do PvP, PvE battles, and thriving player economy and even experience sandbox. There is a sandbox mode, and this is a very actual game, and a lot of people are playing it. It's like a future game, and it's some people really like it. Here you can find the gameplay video. If you're very curious, you can go to the website and watch this video, and here you can see some of the specs in the game. It's very cool. So now we head over to how to download it. So you have to hit download EVE up here, and here you can find the requirements. So the minimum requirements on Windows, Windows 10 server spec, 64 bits, Intel Dual Core 2 GHz, and these graphics cards, so AMD Radeon or GeForce 8600, and at least 4 GB of memory. So these are the recommended requirements, but if you have this, it will be fine as well. On a Mac, you need Mac OS 10.13, Intel Dual Core and NVIDIA GeForce 320M, Intel HD 3000, and at least 4 GB of memory. So what you want to do is you want to hit download EVE Online, and now the launcher of EVE Online is going to install. Then you want to wait till it's done. You can open when it's done. If you're on a Mac, you can hit download EVE Online for a Mac. That's under the Windows downloader. So once it's done, you can hit open up here, and now it's going to open. You can hit next and then select the destination folder, then hit next again. Just keep hitting next because this is all how you preferred way you want to download it. Then hit install, and now the EVE Online setup is going to install on your PC. As you can see, now it's done, and you can hit run EVE Online now, then hit finish, and now it's going to open directly. Now it's loading, as you can see, by CCP, and this is the the launcher of it. And as you can see, you have to log in by your username and your password, but you don't have a password yet or a account yet. So you have to hit create account, and this will bring you over to the eveonline.com sign up process. So you want to enter in your email address. I'm going to enter in my email address. So I'm going to enter in my email address right now. Then select the username, just do any username you want. If it's free, you can use it. Then choose a password. I'm going to enter in my password right now. Just like this. And then you have to agree to the terms of service and confirm that you're at least 13 years of age. This is very important. You can only play the game if you're 13 years of age or older. So you have to agree this and then hit start playing for free. Now it's going to make the account, and it's going to send you an email confirmation to your email address from your account. As you can see, the account is created, and you don't have to hit this button but because we already installed it. And now you can go back and enter in the username you entered in there. So for me it's how to rhyme, and then the password. And then hit sign in, and now it's going to sign in. So this is basically how you can install EVE Online. Now it's going to download. As you can see, it's downloading in the background, and for me it only takes 6 minutes to 7 minutes, and then you can play the game. So I can show you how to install, how to play, but that's not what the video is. This video is about how to install it. So this is how you have to install EVE Online on your Windows 10 PC. It's for a Mac slightly different, but it's almost the same. So if you want to change anything, you can go to account management, but every time you hit the link up here, it will bring you over to the website versions. So this is basically how you have to install EVE Online and make an account. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and have fun playing the game. It's a very great game. Have a nice day.
Bye.